What's going on, guys? Back with another Larry video. I know we just got done swapping this whole front end on here, and I do really like it, but the red just ain't it. And the more that I looked at this thing, I was like, ain't no body shop going to want to even mess with this thing being all chipped up, busted up, and all that kind of stuff, because I was going to get it painted green, you know, match. So instead of doing all that crap, I just figured, let's get a replacement grill. So for about 130 bucks, got a new grill going on here. Larry Bear, it's time to wake up. All right, guys, catching back up with y'all about a week later, and yes, it is about to storm here. Hopefully we're gonna get this video knocked out before it does, or after, potentially, I guess. However, earlier in this video, you saw we got the new grill in. I went to unbox it, and I found out that it was damaged. So I went to cut this open, and I was immediately greeted with this crack right here. So I sent them a message and was like, yo, can we do something about that? And they just gave me a refund, told me to keep the part. And I'm kind of glad that it did happen that way, because I decided to go a different route. We originally ordered this one, which was a black ready to paint grill. I was gonna, you know, see what it looked like black and then probably get it color matched. However, I decided to go a different route, but today I was like, you know what, the new grill's coming in. Let's go ahead and throw the black one on there, see what it looks like beforehand. So I unboxed it, and it's not even the grill. Like, it's the housing that the headlights and the grill and everything mount to from, I don't even know what. It's not the same as Larry's. I don't know what happened there, but overall, just complete fail. But I got my money back, and the new grill is on FedEx and should be delivered here any moment. Like I said, here's the centerpiece, and it does not appear to be broken. Thank goodness. All right, finally got it to lock in. Had to bend the top down a little bit to get it to pop up, but now we gotta put these little guys in. The clips go pointing down. I don't want to break this because it doesn't feel super secure. Gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Boom. We're on there. Now we just gotta pick which blue oval we're gonna use. This one's in relatively good shape, a little crusty. Let's go to the red truck over there and see what Larry's original one looks like. What's up, donor truck? Looking not great. Trees are doing you dirty. Let's see Larry's grill. Oh, I don't know. That one looks pretty freaking good. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to use that one. Turns out there is a size difference. The 02 Ford emblem is much larger, so unfortunately you can't use that one. Fortunately, that one's not super bad looking, and it is a darker blue, which I actually like. So I'm gonna pop that out. Got 2 screws, and we'll throw it in here. So there was a little alignment pin on the factory emblem. There's not one on the new grill, so I just took a razor blade and cut that down smooth. Let's throw this bad boy in and hope to goodness it lines up pretty decent. You know how all these aftermarket parts are. Sometimes they don't line up very good. Where is the alignment? There it is. Oh, it's gonna get on my nerves. It hits bad right there. Huh. Wait a minute, maybe it's because these things aren't lined up. Is that possible? No. It's not. It's not. It is the fact that this grill hits right there. It's not going to line up. So, I'm going to have to try. here it is. Chrome grill on Larry Bear. Y'all definitely comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I was pretty torn at first, but it has definitely grown on me a lot. I think it looks super clean. Larry's entire front end just completely changed, man, since the OG front is gone. Now, new bumper, chrome grill. Looks freaking sweet. This is probably my favorite angle from the side. It's kind of funny, you know, I'm always honest with y'all. So from the front, it definitely gives off like Expedition vibes now. I mean, they're all pretty much the same thing, but just this bumper, the chrome grill, which I think it looks really good. It's not to say that it's bad, but it does from directly front give Expedition vibes. But I dig it. I think with the chrome wheels and the whole look we're going with right now, it's super clean. Now, I have been tossing around at Larry's, you know, permanent setup that I've been tossing around forever. I really think I want to put some black and milled wheels on here, even though you know, it looks great on chrome. Larry looks amazing on black wheels, and I've really been debating that. So if we did go that route, obviously we'd want to swap out for a black one or a color match. I really wish that they had actually sent me a black grill and I could at least put it on there just to see what we thought. My concern with getting it color matched is Larry is 25 years old and the paint is overall in good condition, but you can't expect it not to have some kind of sun fading. I'm sure they can probably match it properly, but at the same time, I am worried about that. I really can't stand when things don't match real good. And so I'm worried about that a little bit, not gonna lie. Also now with the chrome grill, the headlight looks extra super crusty. It's so weird. I think these were the same brand, maybe they weren't. This one has held up amazing, minus the spider web on the inside right there. This one's still perfectly smooth on the outside. It's nice and clear, chrome obviously. This one has got a ton of that yellowing and little spider cracks on the outside. Definitely got to get some new headlights. Overall, the grill fitment, I ended up not trimming anything. Once I pushed those bottom tabs in, I got it to bolt into place. It is still touching right here. I need to clean that up where I was scuffing it. But if we look as far as the lines go, pretty good gap wise. I still hadn't put the little things underneath back yet because I was debating it, but overall I do think it looks really good. I'll have a link to it in the description. If you could get it without the shipping, it's a really good buy in my opinion. It's only like 80 bucks I think, and then, you know, for the grills surrounding and the honeycomb part, I don't think that's crazy. But the shipping is what kind of ruins it, because the shipping was almost as expensive. I think it was $70 shipping, and that's what, it's from the same place I was talking about the bumpers. Because like the bumpers, you can get the whole assembly for like 250 bucks. I get one with the fog lights, all that kind of stuff. But the shipping's like $200 on top of that, and I just can't make myself do that. It's just, I get it, it's expensive to ship large items like that, but it's just crazy to me. I have been keeping an eye out on Facebook for one that's got the fog lights, because I think that would be real clean, and obviously one that's in better condition. This one's not terrible. We need to paint it if we're going to keep it, but I've been keeping my eyes open. But, you know, I have been tossing around the idea of putting the black and milled wheels on Larry. If we, you know, eventually I can actually decide on what I want to get and get Larry's dedicated setup, go with black wheels, because I love black wheels on here, even though I also love chrome. Then we'd need to get a black grill and potentially color match it, yada, yada, yada. But then we could also, since we need to replace the headlights, go with black headlights. That might be cool. We're going to rock this for a while, for sure, simply because we just did it. But, you know, I'm thinking in the future, I don't know. I really wish they had sent the freaking black grill, even though it was broken, just to be able to test it to see if we like the black on there versus the chrome, and that was the whole idea. But that didn't happen, y'all saw. But, you know, I like it overall. I think it looks really good. Maybe throw a billet grill in the middle. Would that be too much? I think it'd be clean, like Chomper, little billet grill in the center. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Are you a fan of the chrome? You not? Do you think it's perfect? Do you think we should add a billet grill to it, or what? But I'm getting tore up by bugs, so I'm gonna end off here. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see y'all on the next one. A little ghost riding Larry. See it rolling. The mud crabs look huge on it. That's why I want to throw 37s on it so it looks even bigger. Just keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
so jumpy. Oh yeah. Larry, don't go without me. I'm goofy. I'll see y'all.